Nowadays, scriptwriters do not be in an imagined world to make screenplay for Bollywood movies because they get enough story ideas from the real life incident itself. There are so many movies made in Hindi based on true life events, and some of them you won't even believe that is actually inspired from real life incidents. Hello, this is Jubair. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss with you some of the best Bollywood movies made based on true life events. So without waiting much time, let's quickly start the countdown.
Number 8. Kedarnath. This Sushant Singh Rajput starrer movie is centered around the Uttarakhand floods in 2013. The devastating natural disaster in the film is based on the real-life tragedy of the floods that took place in North India between the 14th and 18th of June in the year 2013. Kedarnath area was the worst affected region as per the report from the National Institute of Disaster Management. Kedarnath portrays an interfaith love story between a wealthy Hindu Brahmin girl and a humble Muslim boy who is a porter working near Kedarnath temple. As their relationship grows closer, the pair face many obstacles, including familial disapproval and contrasting background. When the sudden rains of the 2013 Uttarakhand floods destroy the region, the couple are forced to persist against the elements and face the crucial test of their love. This Abhishek Kapoor directorial movie, released in 2018, is the debut movie of Sara Ali Khan. Number 7. No One Killed Jessica. Another movie based on true event is No One Killed Jessica, which is based on the Jessica Lal murder occurred in 1999. Jessica, who was a model living in New Delhi, was allegedly killed by a politician's son, Manu Sharma. However, Manu Sharma, along with several others, was acquitted by the court in 2006. The movie portrays Jessica's sister's fight along with a reporter for justice against tremendous odds. Vidya Balan and Rani Mukherjee done brilliant performance as Jessica's sister and the TV reporter respectively. This biological thriller film, released in 2011, is written and directed by Rajkumar Gupta. Number 6. Rastam. Rastam is loosely based on the K.M. Nanavati court case and narrates the story of a naval officer whose wife has an extramarital affair with the businessman. This Akshay Kumar starrer movie is considered as the fictionalized account of the 1959 Indian court case where a naval commander, Kavas Manakshaw Nanavati, was tried for the murder of his wife's lover, Prem Ahuja. This 2016 crime thriller film is written by Vibhul K. Rawal and directed by Tinu Suresh Desai. Akshay Kumar got the National Film Award for Best Actor for his performance as Rastam Parre. The movie also features Ileana D'Cruz, Arjun Bajwa and Isha Gupta in lead roles. Number 5. Talwar. Talwar is based on the 2008 Noida double murder case involving a teenage girl and her family's servant. The case referred to the unsolved murder of 13-year-old girl Arshi Talwar and domestic worker Hemraj Banjed employed by her family. The two were killed on the nights of 15 and 16th May 2008 at Arshi's home in Noida. Talwar can be described as a classy investigation thriller as the film is narrated as the investigation of a crime from 3 different perspectives. Irfan Khan played as investigator of this violent double homicide in this movie. Talwar was premiered in 2015 Tornado International Film Festival. This thriller drama is directed by Meghna Gulsar and written by Vishal Bharadwaj. Vishal Bharadwaj received National Award and Shekhar Prasad received the Filmfare Award for Best Editing for this movie. Number 4. Special 26. This movie is based on the 1987 opera house heist where a group of tricksters conduct a fake income tax raid in a jewelry shop in Mumbai to loot politicians and businessmen of their black money acting as CBI officers. This Akshay Kumar starrer movie keeps the audience engaged from the inciting incident to the gripping climax of the movie. Special 26, directed by Neeraj Pandey, was a critical and commercial success upon its release in 2013. The movie also stars Kajal Agarwal, Manoj Bajpayee, Jimmy Shergill, Anupam Kher and Divya Datta in lead roles. The movie was remade in Tamil as Thane Sendakootam in 2018 featuring Surya and Kirti Suresh. Number 3. Neerja. Neerja is a story based on the events that took place when a Pan Am Flight 73 was hijacked in Karachi. The movie narrated from the point of view of Neerja Bhanot, who was an Indian head purser who died while saving passengers on Pan Am Flight 73, which had been hijacked by Libyan-backed Abul Nidal organization during a stopover in Karachi, Pakistan on 5th September 1986. Neerja, directed by Ram Machwane, was released in 2016. The movie features Sonam Kapoor as the title character, with Shabana Azmi, Yogendra Chiku and Shekhar Ravchani in supporting roles. Neerja was a commercial success and received high acclaim from critics. It won 2 awards at the 64th National Film Awards, including Best Feature Film in Hindi and Special Mention for Sonam Kapoor. At the 62nd Filmfare Award, Neerja won 6 awards. Number 2. Kai Po Che. Kai Po Che is based on Chetan Bhagat's novel The 3 Mistakes of My Life, which is a dark, witty tale about modern India. This is the real-life story of a suffering boy who has committed 3 mistakes that drastically alter his life. Kai Po Che, directed by Abhishek Kapoor, also revolves around the 2001 Gujarat earthquake and Godhra train burning. The film, released in 2013, was the very first movie of late Sushant Singh Rajput. The film tracks the deep friendship of Ishan, Omi and Govind, played by Sushant, Rajkumar Rao, Amit Shah respectively, and their innocence blemished by religious politics and communal hatred. Kai Po Che had a world premiere at the 63rd Berlin International Film Festival. Number 1. Airlift. Airlift is considered as the best Bollywood movie made in the last 10 years based on true event because it portrays the history, patriotism, humanity and emotions in a very realistic way. The film is based on the real-life evacuation of Indians based in Kuwait during the invasion of Kuwait by Saddam Hussein's Iraq. In this Raja Krishna Menon directorial movie, Akshay Kumar's character Ranjit Katyal is made based on Mathuni Matthews, who was an Indian residing in Kuwait and was one of the people who credited with the safe airlifting evacuation of about 170,000 Indians from Kuwait during the 1990 invasion of Kuwait, which is hailed as the world's largest civilian evacuation in the history. This Akshay Kumar and Nimrat Kaur starrer movie has instantly found acceptance from cinegoers. The film reaches such heights due to its climax and provides a soul-stirring patriotic effect. Airlift was one of the first films to bring to the fore lead actor Akshay Kumar's penchant for patriotic tales. It made 123 crore rupees in box office collections.
So guys, these were the best movies made in Hindi based on true life event. If you have any suggestion about this video, you can put that in the comment box here. If your favorite movie is not listed in this category, you can mention name of that movie here as a comment. If you like this video, please click on the like button and share with your friends. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please consider subscribing my channel right now because there are a lot more similar videos made up in my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, this is Jubair signing off.